In this video, we will show you how to replace your window belt molding on this Ford Ranger. This will be mounted directly to your door. This is very simple to replace. You can do it using one tool. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. When using our tool, we're going to have to go in between the window and the molding. Carefully slide it down in between. To help prevent scratching the glass, you could use a rag in between the tool and your window. Just take that. Now we can slide this into place. Down along the back side there. Just get this right out of here. At this point, we're sure we are not going to scratch the glass. We'll start pulling this straight up, which will pull this away from the door, and then we can fully remove it. Slide that out of there. Inside of this area is where each one of those locks is located. That's why it was a little bit difficult to lift this up and out. We'll just give this a quick inspection, inspect and clean the door, and we can prepare for our installation. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new window belt molding. When we do so, we want to come down at an angle. We'll be sliding it in behind the mirror, just enough that we can bring the far end down and slide that into place as well. There we are. Before we continue pressing it down into the locked position, you do need to ensure that you're far enough forward. Let's lock it in. Double check to make sure it's secured. And now we can test the window functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.